the hello to Tahiti?
Geez, I don't remember anything. I think the animal was small back then.
Well, I think it was back in 1981.
1981, yeah, I think Francis was still in diapers back then.
Well, you know, when I was younger, your mom taught me a song, and it was my favorite song. And I was like so happy and excited when you taught us the song just recently. And one of our competitions.
What song was that?
Oh, it was
What's the
and the I.
Oh, the group. Oh, HereTama Nui. That was
That's
the
the
song.
one.
You know, my whole family knows that song. All my cousins, all my aunties, all my
I still remember the song from your mom that she taught me in her version.
Oh. You know what? You cannot go wrong with the oldies. There was another song that I taught you folks. I remember I taught you folks. It's an old song. Girls, guys, you folks remember my Auntie Patty? Do I remember my Auntie Patty passed away? Remember I taught you one song that all my family knew and all my family sang dance for my auntie's farewell. That song, Oh Nui. You remember Oh Nui? Oh, I miss that lady, man.